Now that you finally managed to get your hands on a Steam Deck, it's time to push your portable gaming even further with a wireless Steam Deck compatible gaming headset. While the Steam Deck does have a 3.5mm audio jack, letting you use a selection of wired gaming headsets, nothing beats the freedom and portability of wireless gaming headsets. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Review Finley present Top 5 Best Steam Deck Wireless Headphones. Let's get started. Number 5. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro is an improvement upon the Arctis Pro Wireless, carrying much the same price tag, but with many new features. It undeniably looks nicer, is more refined, and boasts simulated surround sound as well as active noise cancellation. This is perfect for blocking out distractions when you're playing on your Steam Deck. Since the Steam Deck is Bluetooth ready, you can easily connect the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro. But, if you want to use these headphones across multiple platforms, you can do this too, as it's compatible with PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. As well as offering insanely good audio, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro also comes with a microphone that has additional features that can be enabled in the Sonar app. If you want to chat with your friends while you're playing your favorite games, you won't have to miss out. Number 4. Astro Gaming A50 Wireless. The ASTRO Gaming A50 gaming headset offers impressive sound quality, not only for the Steam Deck, but it also works with other consoles and PC too. The Astro Gaming A50 Wireless boasts impressive Dolby audio that takes immersive gameplay to the next level. The Astro Command Center software lets you customize multiple sound modes, which can then easily be switched with the simple click of a button. Everything on the Astro Gaming A50 has been designed to make life easier. A simple click of a button changes the audio levels between voice and game sound, while the EQ preset button quickly changes between preset equalizers. The comfortable ear cups can even be replaced quickly with easy-to-use magnetic replacements, with Astro even offering the A50 Mod Kit, which provides gamers with synthetic leather ear cups and a headband for increased comfort and passive noise isolation. Number 3. Razer Blackshark V2 Pro Wireless Headset. Esports players will be pleased to know that there is a headset suitable for them that doesn't cost as much as most premium-level headsets. The Blackshark V2 Pro isn't the cheapest around, but it's certainly not the most expensive, and it hits the nail on the head in terms of noise cancellation, audio clarity, and positional audio. Using Triforce Titanium 15mm drivers, the Blackshark V2 Pro is able to offer exceptional sound quality. Throw in THX spatial audio, passive noise cancellation, and a removable hyperclear supercardioid mic, and you've got a pretty decent headset. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or prefer to casually dip in every now and then, the Blackshark V2 Pro will be able to satisfy your needs. The Hyperspeed 2.4 GHz wireless connection makes it easy to use this headset across multiple platforms, although you will get the best out of it on a PC thanks to the THX spatial audio app. Number 2. Corsair Void RGB Elite Wireless Premium. Elite in name and elite in nature, the Corsair Void Elite RGB is a powerhouse of a gaming headset. It boasts 50mm drivers which are capable of extending the frequency response range up to 30 kHz. This is covered in Corsair's aesthetically pleasing design, which has RGB zones on the logos in each ear cup. In terms of audio performance, the Corsair Void Elite RGB is pretty decent. If you push the headset around your head, you can really feel the difference in quality. It's just a shame you don't get that immersive feeling otherwise. But, if you spend a lot of time talking to your friends, you'll be pleased to hear that the Discord certified mic is definitely up to the job. Number 1. HyperX Cloud Stinger Core Wireless. As one of HyperX's signature affordable headsets, the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core is popular among game consoles, including the Steam Deck. Using a wireless 2.4 GHz transmitter, you can enjoy 40mm audio drivers, 7.1 virtual surround sound, and onboard audio controls so you can stay in the game. But, as a budget-grade headset, the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core does come with some flaws, namely its build. Yes, it's pretty durable, but this headset doesn't look much in terms of style, and the stiffness of the ear cups can cause irritation over time. It's okay for the odd casual gaming session, but certainly not suitable for longer gameplay or competitive matches. Ultimately, if you're looking for an affordable, wireless headset that's going to last for more than 17 hours on a single charge, you'll be hard-beaten to find better than the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core. You just need to accept it's not going to be very comfortable or look like a premium headset. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.